best Amazon dupes of all times. This bag had like 4.8, okay? And I was like, what's the hype around this bag? What it do, YouTube? It's your girl, Chatty Shay, and I'm back on another video for you guys. So on today, you guys, I have my top 5 best Amazon dupes of all times. So you're gonna want to watch this video to the end. So today I will be presenting you 5 items that I have had in my collection for a while because I wanted to see how they do, the durability of them, before I put it out there on the internet. And you guys, I have done just that. So we're going to start with our first item, which I'm super excited about, you guys. I haven't worn them out the house, but I have worn them around the house. For the girls who get it, get it. Item number 1 is going to be these Bottega dupe earrings. Now, I have seen the girls with them. Y'all probably already know about them. But I was late to the party and I don't want to gatekeep it. So I'm trying to put y'all on. So anyway, it's these Bottega dupe earrings, y'all. They were about like between $10 and $15. And y'all, they are so stinking cute. Like, they're like little raindrops, I would say. Like, oh my gosh. Like this, y'all, this earring is fire. So I've seen some people wear them like this. And then I've seen some people wear them upward. So to each his own. So they do have them in silver and gold. I got them in silver because I'm a silver girl. But I do think that I will eventually get the gold. I'm not quite sure, but I have seen sellers who sold both the gold and silver in the same casing. I just particularly got the one because I'm a silver girl. And I just wanted to see how, it is. But this is a Bottega dupe for a fraction of the cost. You're going to get the same look and the same style, and it's going to be just as trendy, but for a cheaper price, okay? So these Bottega dupes are a go for me, okay? I'm going to link it in my Amazon storefront. So if you are interested in these Bottega dupe earrings, they will be in my Amazon storefront. Link in the bio. Okay, you guys. So item number 2 is going to be this Van Cleef necklace. Like, first of all, y'all, I freaking love this necklace. I have gone through a couple of the dupes, and I want to say that by far this is the best one. It came from Amazon, of course, and y'all, it was $15, and it is so like, oh my god, y'all, this is so stinking cute, and it is a replica of the original one. I've seen some of the clovers have like 5 leaves. I was like, what's that? I've seen colors that I've never seen before, which I guess is okay. But the shape was off, the whole style and the design was off. This one is so much better, you guys. I freaking love it. It was $15. And they do have it in gold. Yet I'm a silver girl, so I got it in silver. So this is a cute matchup to the original if you are interested in this Van Cleef necklace. And they do have the bracelet. I have not purchased the bracelet yet. I've had this necklace roughly for about 2 months now. So I will now go and purchase the bracelet from the same seller. Now, if you are interested in this particular necklace, the exact same one that I have that was on Amazon Prime, it is an exact duplicate of the original one. And it was for the cheapest price. Oh, yeah. Go to my link above and click it. And y'all, if I remember, I might put my link in the description. Don't hold me to that. But yeah, if you like this, go to my Amazon storefront. Link in the description. Item number 4, you guys, are going to be these Gucci dupes. So first of all, I want to say, I purchased the silver one first, and I did not know it was a Gucci dupe. I purchased it solely off of the reviews. Because on Amazon, you could get like up to like 5 stars, and that's like top tier. This bag had like 4.8, okay? And I was like, what's the hype around this bag? Like 4.8, okay? And I was like, what's the hype around this bag? Not even knowing that it was a dupe to the Gucci bag, okay? So I purchased it solely off of the reviews that were going crazy. I got the bag, and y'all, I was like, this bag is top tier. I've had this bag for like a year, okay? For like a year. and she gets used. Now, you know, you could do like the crossbody, or you could do like the two straps like this, you guys. I mean, it has, y'all. So here is another bag. Can y'all see, y'all? This bag is recent to the collection, y'all. I've had this bag like 2 weeks. Yeah, like 2 weeks probably, y'all. This bag I seen the iconic Miss Fantasia wear, but hers was the Balenciaga bag, which I'm gonna post a picture here. And I was like, oh, I need this bag. Like, y'all, like, it's like so fluffy. It's like sheep type situation. And I was like, oh, I need this bag. So I went and bought the bag. The bag was a little expensive. However, again, the quality is amazing. And y'all, the bag is super cute. I have worn the bag with the outfit that I recreated from Fantasia, which I'll post here. And if you don't follow your girl on Instagram, go check me out here. Okay. All right. But anyway, y'all, yeah, so I did purchase this bag probably like a week or so ago. And y'all, I love this bag. And again, you can make this a crossbody. Like, look at the material on this bag. You can make it a crossbody, or you could wear two strap. It don't even matter. The bag is just fire. Like, look at the, like, y'all, it is, y'all, this is so stinking cute. Like, again, it is the gold hardware. I'm not a fan of gold hardware, but the bag is cute. And I was just like, let me just get this bag because the bag is fire. And now that I have the bag, I've actually like created multiple looks with this bag. Like, I have multiple looks to wear with this bag. So yeah, y'all, so be on the lookout for some more styling with this bag because baby, she gonna style this bag. Like, oh, it is so stinking cute. Okay, y'all, we moving on to our final item. Okay, y'all, so this is our final item. Now, if you watched my perfume video, you would have seen this. I believe this is called Latafa. I got it off of Amazon, obviously. And y'all, this is a Bottega dupe. Bottega dupe, y'all. Why am I saying Bottega dupe? This is a dupe for Baccarat perfume, y'all. Baccarat 540. This is a dupe for that. Y'all, when I tell y'all, I have been through so many bottles of perfume trying to find one that is identical to the Baccarat perfume and have the same longevity as that one. And baby, this one is the only one that could withstand the test, okay? This gives, like, it gives you everything you need and more. Like, this bottle was less than $20, and it is a freaking huge bottle, y'all. It's linked in my storefront already because this is something that I wear. Like, baby, like, look at this. Y'all, the quality of the box and everything, like, look. It got a seat in the box, y'all. Like, it's a seat in the box. Like who you know? Like, who you know? Anyway, y'all, this is so cute. This is a great Amazon dupe, y'all. I'm telling y'all, you will not be disappointed. I feel like I actually left a review underneath it. So if you are one like me to go check the reviews, go look for Chatty Shay, because I'll guarantee you I left a review. And you know you had the right link if you see a review from me, okay? Because, baby, this perfume gives, y'all. So I just wanted to come to y'all with a couple of dupes like that you don't have to break the bank for to look good on, y'all. And I do have another one coming soon. I'm just waiting for those items to come in. But anyway, y'all, I appreciate y'all support. Thank y'all, thank y'all, thank y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. What your girl is doing on this channel. Until next time, bye.